India, a country with its rich heritage and culture, remains unparalleled. Its unity in diversity gives strength, inspires millions, and is looked towards with awe by the entire world. As most of the economic activities take place in urban areas, the state of towns and cities is crucial to India's future growth, especially in the transportation sector. The census of 2011 registered the urban population of India at 377 million, which is 32% of the total population. This is projected to grow about 473 million in 2021 and about 600 million by 2031. The number of registered motor vehicles in India stands at about 142 million. It's predicted that this figure will rise to 450 million vehicles by 2021. Presently, with 9% growth every year, the rate of vehicular traffic is growing much faster than the population of India. In its fight to mitigate the effects of climate change, the policies today adopted by the Government of India focuses more on moving people rather than vehicles. While there are significant challenges in urban public transportation, solutions are being developed to tackle these. India is determined to implement and promote environment-friendly modes of transportation like mass rapid transit systems, bus rapid transit systems, buses with intelligent transport systems, and non-motorized modes. Experts believe that persuading people to shift from personal vehicles to public transport is one of the most important elements of the strategy to meet the growing urban travel demand sustainably. The Delhi Metro Rail system is a shining example of this model shift. Passenger traffic in the year 2014-15 increased by 10.5% as compared to 2013-14, while energy consumed increased by 5.10% only. As of now, 2.7 million people travel daily by Delhi Metro Rail, and this means nearly 400,000 vehicles off the road. It is the first metro and railway system in the world to be registered with the prestigious Gold Standard Foundation, a globally accepted certification standard for carbon mitigation projects. It is also the first railway project in the world to have earned carbon credits through the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Nearly 1.1 million CERs have been earned from modal shift and 0.2 million CERs from regenerative braking system. In its commitment to adapt to climate change, Delhi Metro is today utilizing 3 megawatt of solar energy for the power needs of its stations, depots, parking lots and residential complexes. By 2021, it aims to draw 50 megawatts of solar energy. Adhering to green building norms, 12 metro stations of the Delhi Metro network in Phase 3 of the project have been awarded with Platinum, the highest possible rating by the Indian Green Building Council. This achievement will help stations to reduce their power consumption by 35%.
आज जब पूरी विश्व ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के लिए चिंतित है, क्लाइमेट चेंज के कारण चिंतित है, हमारी एक छोटी सी इकाई मेट्रो वे भी दुनिया की मदद करने के लिए ग्रीन मूवमेंट में अपना सहयोग दे रही है.
It is estimated that it is so far generating daily savings of 756 tons of fuel and has also prevented 937 road accidents annually. Taking a clue from Delhi Metro, many other cities in India have now chosen metro as the mass transit mode for their city. At present, more than 300 kilometers of MRTS network is operational in India. 620 kilometers is under construction and more than 600 kilometers of network for various cities is at the planning stage. Once operational, this targeted network will help in the reduction of 27.7 million tons of emissions by 2021 and 74.6 million tons by 2031. The cosmopolitan city of Mumbai is another outstanding example of extensive rail-based mass transportation. Some 8 million commuters use Mumbai suburban rail system with 3,000 train trips on a daily basis. By 2016, the city will add 72 new train sets of 12 cars each, eliminating all 9-car trains in operations. With all its newly designed energy-efficient train sets in service, power saving of 200 million kilowatt-hour will enable further reduction in carbon emission by 2 million tons. A paradigm shift in the urban transport system is being witnessed in India, and it is in the form of Bus Rapid Transit System or BRTS. Projects of Ministry of Urban Development have 580 kilometers of BRT corridor under various stages of construction across 16 cities in India. Ahmedabad's Janmarg is the largest such network in operation, literally meaning People's Way. Janmarg, with a fleet of 118 buses in Ahmedabad and a network of 90 kilometers, provides safer and affordable mobility to nearly 115,000 passengers daily. Janmarg thrives on high priority to buses, pedestrians and non-motorized transport. This is achieved by segregating these from the rest of the motorized traffic. The BRTS as of today leads to the reduction of 24,000 tons of carbon emission and is taking 55,000 private vehicles and intermediate public transport off the road. This has assisted in the reduction of 11,000 litres of fuel consumption annually. The city of Indore deploys 40 buses on the BRT corridor connecting the heart of the city. This city has seen 58% shift from other modes of transportation towards BRTS. To improve the trend and the comfort level in public transportation system, the Ministry of Urban Development sanctioned more than 25,000 buses for more than 170 cities. This initiative has encouraged more passengers to use buses, thereby reducing emissions per person per mile. Delhi Transport Corporation or DTC is another glorious example to share. DTC has 34 depots and around 3,000 low-floor state-of-the-art buses that serve 4.5 million Delhiites daily. In 2004, DTC became the first transport system in the country to induct CNG buses in its fleet and is today the world's largest eco-friendly CNG fleet operator. If we look at the results, these environment-friendly buses lead to reduction of more than 25,000 tons of carbon emission annually in Delhi alone. Entrance of Intelligent Transport System or ITS is a promise for a sustainable and balanced solution to an otherwise confusing urban transportation scenario. Ministry of Urban Development has sanctioned ITS facilities for all 25,000 buses. The modal shift and efficiency in bus operation are instrumental in reduction of GHG emissions and in helping people make improved choice of public transport. Today, the system facilitates commuters with precise information of arrival and departure of buses on LCD screens put up at bus stops across the city. Passengers can also avail service details on select routes and stops on their mobile phones by sending text messages. The ITS facility also helps to track the movement of buses. Their departure times and estimated time of arrival are enunciated accordingly. Non-motorized transport or NMT, that includes walking, cycling, eco-cabs and cycle rickshaw, are all green modes of transport. Fazilka, a small border town of Punjab in North India, is revolutionizing a new trend of non-motorized transportation system by integrating it with technology. These cycle rickshaws, popularly known as eco-cabs, are just a call away in the city of Fazilka. Concept of eco-cabs is working successfully in 22 cities of Punjab. On an average, with 500 eco-cabs in each city, the carbon dioxide reduction in these cities is to the tune of 8,500 tons per year. The Corporation of Chennai in southern India is transforming itself from a car-centric to a people-friendly city. New city designs include continuous footpaths, separate cycle tracks, and organized on-street parking in select areas. With an aim to hasten urban transport solutions, Ministry of Urban Development has launched a national-level scheme for capacity building in urban transport at institutional and individual level in its cities. The future of transportation in India lies in sustainable mobility and eco-friendly alternatives. As per the intended nationally determined contributions or INDCs, the Government of India is committed to reduce carbon emissions by 33% to 35% of its GDP by 2031. The march in the direction has already begun, as we see the results of the making of a more prosperous and vibrant India.
काले वर्षातु पर्जन्य पृथ्वी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभारहित सज्जनः सन्तु निर्भया सज्जनः सन्तु निर्भया